Welcome back. MW over here. I haven't been doing a vid past days. It was Easter, some family things, this, that. I was going to do a Sunday live. There weren't enough people to join me, so that's why I decided to not do a Sunday live. So today I'm gonna do a vid, just like promised yesterday. We're gonna look at the market, look what's going on. First of all, push that like now. I'm gonna wait 1, 2, 3 seconds. Push the like, please. Leave a comment below for the algorithm, please. Thank you very much. We're also gonna talk about a little bit of the markets. What's Bitcoin gonna do? Is it time to buy in? Why are we dumping? What's going on, etc, etc. So please guys, 1.5 speed, push on the like. Right now, please, not later. Push on the like now, leave a comment below, and then we'll start digging in. To the people that are trading with me in the private, sending me all those green P&Ls, congrats to you guys. Congrats for being with me. Congrats for educating. Congrats for understanding why I share what I share. Thanks and congrats for selling out. Thanks and congrats for taking profits. I'm so proud of you guys, you just can't imagine, because I've been doing this for 3 years, and the past weeks there are like 20-30% are new members that joined us, and they keep DMing me, MB, thank you, look at this P&L, look at this P&L, look at this P&L. I took 20k profits, from which I would never do. I've been in crypto for many years. Nobody ever told me to take profits or to take some money or to sell. The only thing that I have been reading in crypto past years is buy and buy more until we go to the moon. And I've been wrecked like over and over again. And since following you, I now understand. I understand when you tell us take the damn money, take profits, because there are always opportunities and nothing goes up forever and everything comes down. And so much appreciation. Thank you very much, and I'm so happy and so proud of you guys. To the guys that want to join the private, guys, the DMs, you know, maybe it's time that I'm gonna hire someone for this, but you know, I've been repeating myself in every vid, so please focus on what I'm gonna say now. To join us on the private, you have to be trading on Weex. Weex is over here. Weex has got this running. There is a $300 because there are a lot of new members that want to start leverage trading. So if you're not leverage trading, this bonus is not for you. This is only so if you need to have USDT to your Futures Pro account. When you deposit $300, if you lose it, they will give you the $300 back. There's also another campaign going on. This is madness. 20% deposit bonus. This means, guys, if you deposit 50k, they will give you 10k. You deposit 5k, they will give you 1k. You deposit $500, they will give you $100. So, guys, this is no bragging. This is no shilling. This is by far, really by far, the best campaign I've seen any exchange do, and I'm so proud to be partnered up with Weex. Also, they are going to lower up their taker fees from the day after tomorrow. They're going to be the cheapest exchange in the industry by tomorrow, 2 April. They're going to be the cheapest one. So it's really madness, and it's the there are some I've heard something about, because I've partnered up with Mexc and Weex, and I've from which I understood, Mexc is going KYC, so everyone that's over there needs to be KYC'd. I know that there are a lot of people trading with a lot of money that do not want to KYC. So guys, if you're hearing me, you can join us on Weex. The team already flipped 85% of their stables to Weex. They're trading on Weex. And Weex also, guys, for the ones that are flipping to Weex, you don't need VPN in the USA and Canada. You can trade in USA and Canada without VPN. It's regulated. They're licensed over there, and they've just read it. I've said enough about Weex. I really don't get it. If you're a Mexc, you don't want KYC, come join us on Weex, especially now. 25 days are it's running, the 300 refund, and you can get this bonus. So that's about Weex, guys. I wanted to jump in right away because I'm not going to make this vid any longer. There's a lot of blood. Bonk, Pepe. Look at this, guys. Pepe, bonk. Where are those other shit coins? Doge, whiff. You're seeing this? Look at this, guys. This is the private group. This is the private group. This is the private group. Look at this. When was this? This was like 2 or 3 days ago. Be patient with these Ponzi coins. Let the indie do the job for you. Do not counter trade the indie. The FOMO is real and on these meme coins. Some serious wheels are pumping these Ponzi memes. They are sucking in retail money like crazy. Use the Indian 500. When it gets well, you get target. We'll trade the Indians. They will only short and not long this shit. You're reading this. This is what I share in my private. You need to short this shit, not long it. And you know why? There's a reason. Look over here where I share the trade setups, bonk, cock. Seeing this? Also nilled Gal, by the way. You also nilled. So this is what's going on in the private, guys. These P&Ls that you're seeing from the team and etc. This is what we do. This is what we do. This is what we do on a daily basis. So now let's dive in. Bitcoin. What's going on, Bitcoin? Look at this. Did you guys watch? Oh, by the way, for the ones that are watching this video and are totally wrecked right now, if you did watch my vids and you're wrecked, you probably deserve it. There is really no mercy over here. And I've told you no mercy. Team is going to short the shit out of these Ponzi schemes and no mercy to anyone that is staying in that FOMO vibe. So look at this. Boom, boom. Look at this. We didn't, boom, boom. We didn't even reach. Look at this. Look at this indicator, guys. Look at this indicator. Broke above. Test up, test up, test up. We didn't even reach it over here. It's at 50. And you know, these two. Okay, everyone with me now. What have I been explaining you guys in my past 5 vids? What did I say? Remember what I said. And if you didn't, go watch them. Watch my past 3-4 vids about the markets. Look, are you seeing these 2 candles? Look at them. Look at them. 2 candles. 2 candles. 2 candles. 2 candles. Why did I tell you guys? I told you guys. We can only be bullish on Bitcoin if it will show strength against the markets. And it was not, and that's what I've been warning you about. I'm telling you, it's not Bitcoin going up, it's Wall Street going up. Please don't believe all those influences on CT that are getting into your mind, making you to go all in and to get totally wrecked, because that's what they want you to do. They are paid to get into your mind and show you that shit. That's what they're paid to do. These guys are actors. These guys they make a lot of money by selling you sentiment. Don't follow the influencers and the shillers. Follow the traders. Look at this. Look at this. I warned you about this. I was telling you this thing is going up. If it shows a little bit of weakness, this thing will come down. And look at it. Just watch my past vids. So for now, guys, let me put on the indicator also over here. We are going below it, as you can see. So today is going to be 11 hours left. Are we going to close above it or beneath it? But much more important, what is this thing going to do? Because if we're going to lose this trend over here, the indicator, that's going to cause problems. That's going to cause problems. And I know that a lot of buy zones already hit, from which I shared. Guys, be careful and take the damn profits on the bounces. Take the damn profits on the bounces. Because, you know, there is a lot more space to dump, as you guys can see. But I think that everyone understands this for himself. Let's look, guys. Bitcoin didn't dump yet. Remember what I said? You know, when I will be bullish and I will be ready is when we reach the indicator on the weekly over here, 50k. 50k is where I will be hungry. So if you are getting filled now, sell on the bounces. Take some damn money off. And if you are greedy and you're thinking to yourself, you know what, I don't care. I have a lot of cash and I'm not a trader, I'm an investor. If it drops more, I will buy more. I'm just this year buying in from now on. No problem. But as a trader, mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. There's still a lot of space to dump yet. 50k. 50k. And especially watching this, guys, the question now is what's going to happen here? Is it going to hold support over here at the 51 or not? If this thing bounces, comes to the indicator and bounces strong up and makes does something like this, if it does something like this, then I agree Bitcoin will probably bounce together with it very strong. But if this thing will not happen, but you know, we've got 1, 2, 3 hits on the indicator, so it's really a waiting game. So if this thing will bounce up, fine. We can make some nice money on the bounces on buying the dips. But if this thing isn't going to hold and we're gonna close below the 55,000 and go even lower, this will cause a lot of blood over here. The 50k will get hit. At least there is a very high probability that it will get hit. So that's about that, guys. I wanted also to show you guys something else. I was receiving some DMs from some haters. Hey guys, you know, I try to be nice. I really try to be nice. I'm a nice guy, but you know, you guys are making it so hard for me. Listen, this one. Hey bro, if you don't have the time to watch my vid, I cannot come to your desk to take those damn profits. There's one he was DMing me about, MB. Well, I was in profits of almost 80k, and I'm now just at profits of what was it, 20k or 15k. I don't know what he was buying. Couldn't you be more clear about that you were expecting more red? First of all, I don't owe you nothing, you don't owe me nothing, so I share what I share, and just take it as you like, and if you don't take it, don't kill my balls about it. But either way, this was my response. Look what I shared past week. It was, and I didn't even share them all because there are a lot more. Dangers of Bitcoin falling down, time to go short, crypto, Bitcoin crash imminent. I explained into details why you should be cautious and take profits. But you know, whatever, look at this guy. Whiff. I told you over here. Team is just warming up here. They will destroy any meme coin available next week. Every pump they make is another short filled. Guys, I never remove a tweet. I told you what they're going to do. I was saying to you, they're going to short every pump. Well, they did. As you guys can see. Because this one, listen, this is a lot of money. And I warned you about it. I told you, listen, just warming up here. This 166. Listen, and you know, listen, I watch all your vids and I really keep it. Don't worry me, I'm over. I will keep doing my vids. I will stay here and I will keep educating retailers and I will keep saving retailers. And if it's not for the retailers, it's for the shillers that are hating me, that are ghosting me, that are shadow banning me, that are hiding my vids from retailers. Only for you guys, I will keep making vids more and more. And it will not be only YouTube vids. I will also start making a lot of Twitter vids, and I will go into Twitter spaces and I will grow my retail army as big as possible to be as strong as we can to expose you guys one by one. So that's about that. Weeks. These guys, I'm telling you, these guys. Yeah, listen, what was it? Oh, this was the two events. Anyone wrecked with? Yeah, this one, guys. I don't have many solo traders not shilling CT. Guys, you have to understand. Most real good traders, they are not on CT. They don't have the time to make vids like me, to talk to you, etc. The reason why I do have the time is because I don't leverage trade anymore. You know? Because if I would have leverage trade, I would not making these vids. So I'm not leverage trading. But these guys that leverage trade, the real OGs, the real, you won't find those on Twitter or YouTube talking to you guys. You don't find those. They're too busy making shitloads of money. So, and I know some traders, they became millionaires only by shorting altcoins, shitcoins. That's all they do. That's all they do. That's all they do. So, I wanted to show you guys something else. Oh, this was a very important one, guys. And the thing that you're seeing now on the markets, the weakness on the US 500 has something to do with this. That's why I'm telling you, I'm sure, you know, I'm not on Twitter for the shows and for the bullshit. I'm on Twitter, I'm showing you everything that's important. When you see me posting, making a tweet about something, know that it's important for your portfolio, for your money, for your holdings. Otherwise, I will not share it. And listen, I share this. This is very important to watch and think about how bullish we actually should be. Because this guy has been saying here, Yellen and Biden, back off, let me do my job and fight inflation. And fighting inflation means that he has to fight the stocks. And if he fights the stocks, well, you know what's going to happen next. Here, look at this. WIF, 33 ranked. Pepe, 44 ranked. Bonk, 66 ranked. As long as this keeps going on, we are doomed as crypto holders. This has to change, guys. This has to change. So that's about that. Okay, was I going to talk about something? Yeah, I'm not going to talk about a lot more. Look, it's dumping. It's dumping. We're really dumping at this moment. So we're really going down. Look. The US 500, you see? You see this? We're coming down. I warned you about it. I warned you about it here. I was telling you, guys, look to what he's saying over here. This is not good. This is not good because what he was bullish. He was giving some signs of bullishness in December, and it just changed. And this is the reaction to it. Look at it. This is the reaction to it. And look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. You see? Bitcoin just follows as a puppy. If this thing goes down, look, this thing goes down, Bitcoin just follows as a puppy. That's what Bitcoin does. And I've been educating and teaching you guys this over and over and over again. So it's really, and you know, if you didn't watch my Bitcoin imminent crash vid, you have to watch it, because over there I will explain to you much more how Bitcoin price action is built up and when to be cautious, when to be bullish, when to be bearish. And I think that vid, it has got maybe like 1K or 2K views. I think it should have like 2 million views or 10 million views, because everyone that is in crypto and loves his money and loves his portfolio should watch that vid, because that's how I showed you guys how the Bitcoin price has been built up. And you know what hurts me the most is that I'm just a simple guy. I nail more than 90% of my predictions, but I'm a simple guy. I don't have any team. I don't have any show. I'm just that simple guy doing from his office, from his desk, doing his thing, helping retailers. You know what hurt me most is that all those famous, all the famous ones, no exception, all of them. So everyone, you know, the biggest accounts of crypto that retailers follow, shame on them. Shame on them. Shame on them. You know why? They have TA guys, they hire TA guys, they hire economic specialists, they hire social media people, they hire whatever. They have like 50, 70, 100 people on a payroll. And nobody of those freaking guys is able to make one vid like I did. explaining retailers exactly when to be bullish or bearish. And that's a really big shame. And it's really very, very sad. So guys, please push that like, leave a comment below. Have a nice one. Thank you, and bye bye.